Hello, trading is closed on March 26th, 2020. We'll go over our calls. We had a MEJT target of 24.36.55. We said it should print unless we gapped up smartly. We gapped up smartly. So that's killed before the open. Should still print at some time. Actually, its preferred time frame doesn't run out till early tomorrow. Looks kind of out of reach. We said the pattern should have an early low, tended to be a rally day, and unless there was early weakness, tended to have the high and the final hour. So we got that. Tomorrow's pattern also had the early low. Here's what we said, early low, typically a rally day. It should drop big early. The lower target, unless we gap up smartly, should print. I said yesterday's high didn't have to hold. I didn't have anything saying for sure we go higher. Well, it didn't hold. These are the patterns for next week. During the day, MEJT said ultimately a higher price would print. Said this drop was false and price would retrace. In general, this is a positive pattern. Low a day in the first bar, high in the last bar. Tends to lead to higher prices. Catch is there's a wall into the close. It's a good chance of gapping down when that happens, particularly when you've been consolidating all day. It tends to be short covering, and if it is short covering, you'll gap down smartly at tomorrow's open. And if it's the real thing, the rally will just continue. Kind of a 50-50 shot. This was the demarked TD line. It's a pretty good indicator of lower prices coming. And when it fails, as it failed here, it tends to fail in grand style. When it does fail, it fails early, according to demark. And that goes for this break too. If you gap down tomorrow, go back under the line. This break doesn't count. You really have to go past today's close by 1 cent. But if we do go past it, this rally should continue. We promptly recovered 38.2% of this drop. When you do it that fast, your target's the 61.8%, which is 27.7578. So we need confirmation of this by trading past today's close by 1 cent. But if we do, my target, for now anyway, is 27.7578. And we shouldn't go past that here, which is 28.5584. I guess 100 handles in this market is cutting it pretty close, huh? Here's what I have. Friday's pattern has early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. Broken through the TD line. It's usually a pretty reliable indicator. You can still reverse it promptly. But when a good signal fails, like all signals that fail, usually it fails big. So right now we have a target of 27.75, assuming we get confirmation by trading past today's close. Again, I take things a day at a time, reserve the right to change that. We have a low of day in the first bar, high in the last bar, that's positive. All of the close, that's negative. We're going to use the rules for mixed signals, and here they are. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low, going past today's close. Should take us up at some point, not necessarily in a day, should take us up at some point to the 27.75 level. But there's a good chance that if we are going to go past today's close, that we'll have to wait, because this pattern, at least half the time, will gap down first. And that's today's call.